Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we'll learn how to prepare normalized difference vegetation index, that is NDVI. We'll learn today how to prepare this NDVI map. To prepare an NDVI map, we have a formula for preparation of NDVI map. So if we are using Landsat 4 or 7, then band 4 minus band 3 divided by band 4 plus band 3 we can use. Or if we have a Landsat 8 data, then the formula is band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4. So this formula we are going to use Landsat 8 data. So if you will see this Landsat 8 data, so this is Landsat 8, 11 band is there. So this Landsat 8 operational land imagery and thermal infrared, two sensors are there, and it's launched in 2013. So 11 bands are there, the band 1, band 2, band 3 you can able to see. So band 5 is near infrared and band 4 is red. So in our formula if you will see, then band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4. So band 5 and band 4 we need. So this band 5 and band 4 we need. So to download this data, we can download this from the USGS Earth Explorer website. You will get Landsat data there. So after downloading this Landsat data, there is a 11 band I will show you. So you can able to see this band 1, then band 2, then band 3, then band 4, like this band 5, like this 11 band you will get. So we need band 5 and band 4 we need for the preparation of NDVI map. So that will take, so this is Landsat 8 data. After downloading I have extracted it, and now I am taking this is band number 5 and this one is band number 4. So this is Landsat 8 data. Now you can able to see ELC08. So this is Landsat 8 data. So you can able to see date here. This is a row 147 row and path of the image. This is 2020 year and 04 month and 21 date is there. So all the information is given there mostly. So now you can able to see we have band 4 and band 5. So this is our formula as we have discussed. So you can able to see band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4 we need to do. So for that what we need to do, we need to click here red box, that is a R toolbox. So after clicking here R toolbox, we need raster calculator. So I'll click on spatial analysis tool, and in spatial analysis tool map algebra is there. In map algebra there is a raster calculator option is there. So I will click on the tool raster calculator. After click on the tool, now we want this in float. So now this is not in float, so we want this NDVI in float. For that we'll take float. After taking float, so our formula again we'll see, our formula is band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4. So band 5 I will take. So now you can able to see here band 5 minus band 4, okay, divided by, again we'll take float, then band 5 plus band 4 as I have shown you here, band 5 minus band 4 divided by band 5 plus band 4, and we are using float here. So now we need to give output raster. So I will keep as it is my output folder, and I will click on OK. So after clicking on OK, it will take little bit time. So process is going on. If you want to see the process, then you can see in results. So now here you can able to see process going on. So now successfully completed. So I will right click and I will click on symbology. Here I will change color, apply, and OK. Now you can able to see NDVI range shows from -1 to +1. So this -1 where negative values are mainly these negative values, where you can able to see these negative values. So if I'll zoom here, this color indicating a negative value -1. So where negative values are mainly formed from cloud, water or snow. So here where there is a negative value, that may be water or snow, and values close to 0 are mainly formed from rock and bare soil mostly. The very small values like 0.1 or less of the NDVI functions correspond to empty areas of rock, sand and snow. And moderate, if you'll see, values like 0.2 to 0.3 represent shrub and meadow, while large values like 0.6 or 0.8 indicating temperate and tropical forest mostly. So now you can able to see this red color shows the higher NDVI values and high amount of vegetation as compared to this. So like this we can prepare NDVI map very simply. So it's all about NDVI. Thank you.